Rocky Mountain Remedies is one of the few companies in Montana with a full spectrum of licenses. Not only do they grow the marijuana, but they also process it into finished products to sell.
It's expensive. It's very expensive. So with the state, you have to have different licenses for what you're doing. So we have a cultivation license, we have a dispensary license, and then we also have a manufacturing license. And the manufacturing is actually to do extractions and make edibles and oil and all of those things.
The entire process is akin to a university chemistry lab with beakers, microscopes, and at the center, the large extraction chamber. It requires a significant knowledge of physics and safe practices to do it well.
Expansion vessel, basically what it's doing is heating up the gas back into a liquid. So basically all we're doing in there is thermodynamics.
Through the use of thermodynamics, solvents remove the oils from the shake, the parts of the plants that are left over after the buds are harvested. It takes about an hour to go from raw plant material to a super concentrated THC oil.
And so when you have static electricity in that booth while gas is running, you go boom. So several tanks in here. One, the yellow and gray tank, that's what we call our clean gas. The red and white is dirty gas, and then the black tank is nitrogen. Then that's just a spare tank in case we need it. Always got off tag, it transfers over and over and over and over until you get a new package tag. Here we go.
From there, the oil can be further refined into a distillate through a proprietary process of heating and cooling in what is essentially a specialty pot still like you might see in whiskey production. After refinement, this thick syrup can contain more than 80% pure THC.
You're heating it, you're actually pulling all that gas out. But basically there's a magnet in here and it stirs it up, and you're heating this up to anywhere from like 185 to 215 degrees Fahrenheit. Plants will produce anywhere from 18 to 25%. If everything goes well and everything goes right, you can get, low 30s, mid 30s. Typically, if it's just raw THC oil rather than distillate, your average testing numbers should be between 70 to 85%. If you get into the 90th percentile of THC content with raw oil, everything just went right. Everything. It's got to go just perfect.
The distillates are then used to make the final products that will go on to be sold. These include vape cartridges, edibles, sugar, shatter, and many other varieties.
So this is like a whole day's worth of blasting. Put the date, how much gas I start with, what I'm running, the weight, what the THC and CBD percentages are. It's a process. You gotta always keep it moving. As you see, there's a lot going on around here. So,
stay tuned next week to learn about the process of retail sales for marijuana. In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.